Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And that's a 10 by 20 inch canvas with some white paint. Oh, just lost my shoe. Then I'm going to spread. Before I spread some other paint and use a swipe card to make it sell. The Mead & Paint never fails to sell for me so far. Of course, I've only used the black and white, but I recommend it highly. And you can find it on my Amazon link. Both the black and the white and all the colors. And I will be getting colors soon. Just not until I really need them, because the black and white seem to be enough as a catalyst for any of the other colors that I use. And what I did last time was dip my card in to some black, and I think this time I'm just going to use a squeeze bottle. This is all about experimenting for me. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, available also on my Amazon link. I am trying to get rid of some of the canvasy texture, but these particular 10 by 20s have more texture than they should have. And I do see I need a pair of tweezers, and that can come out. This can go in the bucket. I am going to try be as random as possible and wish that my bottles had not plugged up. If I get to the point where I want some chain, I might use it. These are obviously my favorite colors. That is the Folk Art Color Shifting Purple Flash. That is Venetian Blue. That is a Chrysocolla Color Art Prism Pour. Who knows what this is going to be like. I like the start though. That's some mysterious. You can't get that anymore. This is some Dioxazine Purple. I want some red in here, and I'm probably not going to be able to resist putting some Prism Pour Hot Orchid in there. Everywhere? Everywhere. And the red. Might want some more orange before I'm done. This could turn out to be a geometric, I suppose. Let me grab one of my swipe cards. Let me see if I've got... I could try some of the white too. Let's do that also. Might be the fastest geometric ever. So there's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. If you've been here a while, I love you. Thank you so much for still being here. You guys inspire me. So use pretty colors. That's today's lesson. If you guys don't know what colors to use, go to your closet and check it out. I could leave those background marks and be pretty happy about it. They're not really bothering me a bit. And no, I'm not cleaning my card off. I'm not pressing down too awfully hard either. Oh, do I really want to make that go away? I don't. Maybe I'll just make a little bit of it go away. So that was quick. That was really quick. I've been covering my edges for a little while. That is a legitimate abstract expressionist artwork, and you guys are going to have some fun playing with that. If you need names of colors, just ask me. I'll do my best to give them to you. I'm leaving those drizzles in the background. I think they look good. I like them. There's just enough of everything. There's some negative space. There's just basically some fun stuff going on in there, and I do sell my artwork. My email address is right below the link tree. The link tree has my Amazon link and all my Facebook groups and my website, in case you're interested. I want something to dot. Because I don't think it'll hurt me. That red sunk, which is really surprising. I want some more of that black. Just a few dots, I promise. I lie. Okay, I'm going to control myself because I like this. Please give me a thumbs up. Please like my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for watching the commercials, even for 30 seconds. It's helpful. Thank you for watching when the notifications come out. That's a big assistance to me. I love you guys. I'd like to just keep playing with this and doing more and more art all night long, but it's almost dinner time, so I'm going to go. I did put paint on my edges before I started, so I don't need to worry about that now. Please check out my Teespring clothing below the video for all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. This would look good as an all over print legging or an all over print t-shirt. Kind of want to blow that black out. I like the little extra things in there. So, what else did I not tell you? Thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. There is a monthly drawing every single month at the end of the month in the last 2 days, along with a brand new exhibition video that will share the next month's exhibition video. Yeah. We'll share the next month's prizes for those of you who donate through PayPal or Patreon. I prefer PayPal. You'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and there are always paintings to be seen as the prizes on that exhibition video. Yeah, I know, I'm being redundant. My community board is on my YouTube channel along with my shop. You can find tomorrow's video there. On my link tree, you can find pixels.com, Fine Art America, my website. I think I said that already. Yeah, I'm getting confused now. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. Pinterest, I post videos and all the merch from Fine Art America and Pixels.com. Instagram has my daily work most of the time, and if you have questions, they're underneath, show more underneath the, oh wow. If you have questions, please ask. If you're looking for the paint pouring recipe, it's under show more under the video. I think it's time to be quiet now. I love you guys. Please shop my Amazon link and know that I have over 1,800 videos where I'm slightly less confused, most of the time at least. I'll talk to you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with the fastest geometric ever, but it's really cute. Thank you for joining me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon. I love you. All of you.